Mmm. Mmm, banana. Yum. Bit more. Yeah, have a bit of banana. Bit of banana. Is it nice? Come on then. Ginny. Ginny. Here you go. Yum. Yum. I don't think she likes bananas. Here we go. Oh, yum. I've never known her to spit food out like this. Oh God, I'm crying. Go on, try a little bit more. Last one. Last one. Alright, we're done. No more banana for Ginny. Okay, all gone, all done. You can stop shivering now, it's all done. She wants the wet wipe. Wipe my mouth, mother. Give me the wet wipe. Let's get rid of the